Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Google Chat on your phone to stay connected with your friends. So here, I've already opened the Gmail apps on my phone. And to start using the Google Chat, you need to first enable the chat on Gmail apps. So if you cannot see this chat tab on your Gmail, you can just first go to settings, click on the three lines at the top and scroll down, click on settings, choose your emails, and after that, if you scroll down, there is a general section in here, and you need to make sure that this chat to show the chat tab is checked like this. So when you open the Gmail apps, there will be a chat tab in here at the bottom, and you can click on that to start using the Google Chat. You can see I've already have a conversation list in here. To start a conversation, you can just click on the plus icon in here, and you can just find the person, space, or apps that you want to start message with. For example, I'm going to just find okay, this one. For example, click on done at the top and start writing your message. So you can just write in here, for example. After that, you can click on send, and that's it. You can also do a voice call and also video call on the Google Chat by using this button. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.